Dear viewers, welcome to another video in the series of Minitab tutorials. In this video, we are going to understand one of the functions in Minitab available called lag function. And this function will be very useful for us when we are doing a time series analysis, when we are especially doing an autocorrelation. So I've explained what is autocorrelation in my previous videos. And for us to do autocorrelation, this lag function will be a good option for us to study the correlation with a certain amount of lag. So let's get into this video and understand what is a lag function. As I was explaining in the beginning of my video, this function will be very useful when we want to do something called autocorrelation with a certain amount of lag. So what is autocorrelation and what is autocorrelation with certain amount of lag? You can understand it in my previous video where I have explained about autocorrelation in detail. I'll give you the link of that video in the description. You can refer to that video. Now we will understand what this concept lag is all about. So here I have some 30 data points collected in a chronological order. So now I click on stats, I go to time series, and in time series I have an option called lag. So when I click on lag, Minitab gives me an option to create lag with multiple lag. For example, here I am selecting data, which is my data collected in chronological order. So I can say I want lag of 4. Again, I can, in the same option, I can select my data, and I can say I need a lag of 3, and I can select this. I can say I need a lag of 2. Now if I click on OK, Minitab will generate a lag of 4. What is lag of 4? This data point will be copied and pasted at row number 5. That means the same data point that you have in column C1 is copy pasted in column C2 with a lag of 4. So if at all I want to understand there is a cross correlation, or if I want to understand there is an auto correlation, in those scenarios what I can do is I can have this lag option very much used for the calculation purpose. For example, here for auto correlation we are using a lag. So the same data point is copy pasted with a lag of 4. Here it is being copy pasted with a lag of 3, or it is being copy pasted with a lag of 2. But what I can also do is I can generate a fresh set of data point. I click on cal, I go to random data, and I say normally distributed data. I want 30 data points to be saved in column C5 with an average of 50 and with a standard deviation of 5. So that is getting saved. So let us call this as data -1. Now we can generate another set of 30 data points, save it in column C6 with an average of 55 and with a standard deviation of 3. Now I say OK. So let me call this as data point 2. Now if I use the lag function, I can say stat, I can click on time series, and here I can select a lag of. So here instead of having this data, I remove this, I also remove this. I select D2. I want to keep D1 as it is, but I want to select D2 with a lag of 3. Now I can click OK, remove these values, and save this at the end of the worksheet. Or I can here say in a specific new worksheet, but I want it at the end of the existing worksheet. So I click OK. So it gets saved here. So this second data point is getting saved with a lag of 3. So if at all I want to see there is any cross correlation, right, with a certain amount of lag, I can do this. So this is how the lag function in Minitab is being used to get the data copy pasted in a new column with a certain amount of lag. In our previous video, we saw how the difference function is being used. In this video, we saw how the lag function is used. Hope this video was useful when you are doing some time series analysis and you want to study the data with certain amount of lag. You can use the lag function available in Minitab. Thank you friends. See you in another video.